My name is Fatima and I am from the United States. First, I would like to say congratulations to GB True News HD because this is a very special time for their channel. And I hope in the near future it will grow into something they have never dreamed of. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Imtiaz. I'm from the United States. First of all, I would like to congratulate GB True News HD for starting up their channel. I believe it will be a great platform for our Gilgit-Baltistan community, as it will enable them to voice out their concerns and their problems. I truly wish GB True News HD best of luck for the future, and inshallah one day they will represent Gilgit-Baltistan at a global scale. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ali. I am from the United States. First of all, congratulations to the GB True News HD management for taking such an excellent initiative to start GB True News HD channel and decided to serve GB community, nation and the world. I wish you best of luck. Thank you.